Yeah, I know we lost touch, but I'm still here. We were young, we were kids, it was something rare.
Hey everyone, welcome to my very first video. Sorry that my setup is not very well. I'm getting all the stuff in a few days. I just need to wait, but I'm not very good at waiting. This is the setup that you've seen. We got just an ordinary pencil with some sellotapes wrapped around it, and this stuck to it. And this is the gel tips that I use, the nail tips that I use. Oh, that's off my stepmom. And it's going to be a very simple design. I'm not even going to do like a top coat, base coat, because I don't have the curing lamp. But I do have the curing flash thing, this here. And I'm just going to put some stamps on. I'm going to use my brand new stamps. Let me just grab them, I do apologise. I'm going to use my new stamps. I'm not going to ignore the Christmas one. What I want to do is this one right here. You can't see it because I've got my phone light on. But it's this one right here. So we'll peel this off. If I can peel it off. Right. Peel that off, no hesitation. And then for the stamping gel, I use this. Done me very good. And I use this to stamp it on. It's very sticky. Stick, stick, stick. And where's my and a scrapey thing so I can scrape it on. Right, we've got that set up. So we've got to make sure everything's set up because this one dries very fast. It's air dry. So I don't even need to cure it. So I'll take a little bit off on here and we just paint it on like that. We'll get a bit more on. Make sure it's all on. Put that in there. 45-degree angle, so like that. Scrape, scrape, and a stamp. Not a very good stamp, but I'm learning. Take it off. Tap. And we go tap, tap, tap to tap it off. And then you just sort of line it up. And then you just stamp it on as best as you can. This is my first attempt at using that one, which I don't think is too bad actually. I need this, and I'm going to pick out a jewel from this little box of jewels here. That'll go well with that dragon design. Just for, you know, that little pizzazz, that little bling that you're going to need. And I fancy, let's see, which one should I pick? These are all the ones I've got. If I can't zoom out. I think I'm going to go for this one right here, this blue one. Give it a bit of colour. So we take that out. And I'll show you this up close. If my phone would let me. And that's it right there. This is how tiny it is. That's what it looks like on a real nail. Oop, if I can balance it. And that. So we grab this joint sealant glue. you uncap it. It comes with a little long needle. I think that's sharp. No, it's not sharp. That's it there. With a fine pointer. Find out where you want to put it, top or bottom. I think it would look very nice. Yeah. And that is where I'm going to put it. First, I'm going to make sure it's stuck on very well. On there. So we just put a bit of glue on like that. The glue's right there. We'll put the tip back on. If I can get it in. And then you grab your bead. And then this might be better with like some sort of like I'm going to put it on a bit of an angle like that. I'm going to hold it down and put it at an angle there. Grab this, the curing thing. This does 45 seconds at a time. So I'm going to hold it very close there so it can cure. I'll speed this up, don't worry.
Oh, come on, yeah. When it all burned down and you lost my number, or you couldn't even call, didn't know if you recovered or not. Come
on! Video so far, don't forget to give it a like and a comment and subscribe, and I'll do more of these if people would like me to. Bye for now.
left with nothing, did you question